Pulse is a smart completions management system which tracks data and creates certification. It digitizes inspection check sheets and test plans for greater efficiency and transparency. The features of Pulse include a web application, scheduling, systemization of a unit or plant, data warehousing. It's a mobile application, so you can use it on your mobile or tablet, API integration, as well as significant analytical reporting. Now digitalized, you can ensure that no work has to be repeated. There's a record of everything you've done, and up-to-date progress is synchronized within seconds. Analytical reporting is bespoke to your project. Pulse truly is the better way to manage your projects. Brought to the industry through Engineers Services.